from Arpita's Viva Gallery, again in front of you with my 45th episode. Today I am in front of you with my batik episode, cotton batik episode. New collections are there. Choose it, send me the screenshot and purchase the sari from me. Due to COVID period, we are in a big problem. Me, my staffs, my artisans, everybody is dependent upon a single purchase. So please help me purchase my saris. Will do get great help. So let's start with my episode number 45. Again, my cotton batik saris, a very demanding saris, new stock. Sari number 1. This is sari number 1. Okay, 2.5 meter of the sari is designed in this way. Okay, and let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, and rest half is designed in this way. Sari number 1 and the price is 1500. Okay, now I am moving to sari number 2. My senior didis, some of my didis I couldn't give the sari last time and couldn't make the similar piece for them because there is a problem regarding artisans due to elections and COVID both. So some alternative saris I am showing you without red. Look, a wonderful piece, ash and white. Wonderful piece. First let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Small butterfly motifs in the border and this is the rest half with ash base and a single lower border. Sari number 2 and the price is 1500. Sari number 3. These saris, something different. This is my new stock. Sari number 3. Look at the presentation. This is the palla part. Fresh, new design, new stock. Okay. This is the whole body. Let me drape this sari for you because my blouse will look good in this. Okay. This is sari number 3, priced in 1950. This is the sari, friends. This is the palla. And let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Very good quality malmal. Okay. There is the difference only between the artisans, charge of the artisans. Otherwise, all the fabric are same. This is sari number 4. This is priced 1500. Dark navy blue, my friends. This is not black. This is the dark navy blue, little geometrical pattern without border. A smart sari. This is the palla part. This pattern will come in the yoke portion. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. Just geometrically designed. Okay, and please let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. A single line has been, double line has been given in the base, in the border. This was sari number 4 and the price was 1500. This is sari number 5, priced 1850. A white base sari. Sorry. Sari number 5. 2.5 meter is designed in this way. This is the palla part 2.5 meters is designed in this way. Let me show you the blouse piece first. This is the blouse piece of the sari, having two upper and lower border, and the base is white. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. Very nice sari. You can wear a single solid color blouse also. Will look very something some different. You will look. Okay, this is the rest half. White sari is very difficult to make in batiks, and very rare also. Sari number 6. This is also priced 1500. Very good quality malmal. These are very good quality sari. Friends, please trust on me and my product. If you face any problem regarding after purchasing, please let me know. If during purchasing, if you feel some problem, if there is any confusion regarding color, regarding designs, please let me know. Accordingly, I will help you. Look, this is wonderfully designed. First, this is the palla part. Okay, and within the geometrical part, in the yoke portion, you will see this design. Okay, this is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter is designed in this way. Okay, and this is the rest half. खूब सुंदर piece, खूब सुंदर का design, wonderfully designed. Cotton friendly sarees, pure hand batik. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 6, and the price was 1500. Sari number 17. Wonderful piece, খুব সুন্দর। এটা কি বলতো সিনিয়র দিদিদের জন্য তো ভালোই, অবশ্যই ভালো, is very good for senior friends, but young stars also can wear it. It will look very. Wear a lemon color blouse with this sari. It is navy blue. The base is navy blue in color. Friends, this is navy blue, white and yellow color combination, one batik. 2.5 meter is designed in this way. This is not black, friends. This is navy blue, dark navy blue. Okay. First, let me show you the blouse piece. A white blouse piece. This is the yoke portion, 2.5 meter, and this is the rest half. A wonderful piece. Youngsters can wear this saree with a lemon blouse. It will look completely different. It will give a different look. Sari number 7, and it was priced 1500. Sari number 8. Each and every sarees are very nice. I am very confident regarding my design, regarding my product. This is the palla part. Okay, this is patli pallu style. First half is in this way. Okay, friends, first let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, having a border, and this is the palla part. This part is palla. This is the first half, and the kuchi part is in this. This is the kuchi part, the patli part. So this is a patli pallu saree. Yeah, this is the first half will be this, and the patli part is this. Okay, this was saree number 8, and the price was 1950. Saree number 9. One of my senior didi from Lake Town can select these sarees. This is a navy blue saree. This is also navy blue, not black. This is the palla part. This part is palla, 1 meter palla part. This is the yoke portion. Okay, and let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, navy blue colored blouse piece, and this is the rest half. Friends, if you face any problem regarding to choose the sarees, the sarees which I am particularly showing to you. Okay. If you want any help, please let me know. According, definitely I will help you. Okay. And if you ask me, show me. I have lots of stocks. Today I am showing you 27 pieces. But if any friends within Kolkata will come to my shop, I can show you another 25 to 30 pieces. So it's not possible for me to show my stocks from the shop. Okay. So the saree which I am showing, if you like these sarees from this stock from 25 pieces, I will definitely show you these sarees once again. That's not the problem. But if you tell me, show me other stocks, it's very problem. Okay. This is the palla part. Wonderfully designed. This is the whole piece. Throughout the saree is designed in this way. Okay. This is the blouse piece of the saree. And this is the breast half. Saree number 10 and the price is 1950. Okay. Now moving to saree number 11. This is the palla part with purple blue combination. Okay. And this is the whole side. Let me show you the blouse piece, friends, first. This is the blouse piece of the side. And this is the breast half. This is price 2000. This was saree number 11 and the price was 2000. Now moving to saree number 12. This is a powder blue combination of saree. Powder blue and white. Bishon Shundar. Palla is resembling the nature as well as the border is resembling the nature. This is the blouse piece. First, let me show you the blouse piece of the saree. Show the border. Okay. And this is the breast. This was saree number 12. And the price is 13. This is also a black. This is not a black saree. Dark bottle green, fresh green, fluorescent green, yellow combination saree. Okay. This is saree number 13. This is the palla part. This is the yoke portion. A big paisley will come. It will, yeah, this way the paisley will come from base to upside down. Okay. Okay, friends. The paisley is going upside down. And this is the first show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Show the border of the blouse piece. Okay. And this is the breast half. Okay. Price 1500. Saree number 14. This is the palla part. Wonderful saree. The color combination is so good. It's an English colored saree. It's a hand batik saree priced in 1950. This is the blouse piece of the saree. Friends, those who have already subscribed my channel, please share it. It's very important to share my channel. It will do a big help to me. This was sari number 14 and the price was 1950. Sari number 15. This is the palla part. Look, the saris are designed in such a nice way. It is as good as silk. If you wear the sari, it will look like that you are wearing a silk sari. Okay. This is the blouse piece. Let me show you the blouse piece. Okay. This is the palla part, and this part will go diagonally in this way. This way it will go, and this is the rest half of the sari. This is the rest half of the sari. Very nice. Only cracked design, but it's designed very nicely. Presentation is very nice. This is the rest half. This was sari number 15 and the price was 1500. Sari number 16. Another white sari. In batik, it is very difficult to make a white base sari. This is the palla part. Very decent. This is the blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest half. Simple but very smart. This was sari number 16 and the price was sari number 16 and the price was 1850. 1850. Sari number 17. This is also wonderful piece. This is also English tones color batik. These are all new designs. Okay. This is the palla part, and this is the whole body. Friends, please purchase this sari, wear it. Will do a big help to me, my helping the sisters, my artisans, everyone. Will do a big help in this critical situation. Okay, and this is the rest half. I am very confident regarding my product. Be confident. You also be confident when you are purchasing a sarees. If there is any complaint, please let me know. Send me comments if I do any mistakes. Or if I do any good thing, mention that also. Now I am moving to sari number 18. It's an open platform. Please place a comment. Positive and negative, both comments are needed for me. This is the 2.5 meters design in this way. Okay. This is the blouse piece. So first, let me show you the blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest. I have shown in the two pieces. This is the second piece. I am showing a crack bati. Look at the border. Okay. This was sari number 18 and the price was 1500. Sari number 19. Owl with whole family. this is the yoke part of the sari. This is the palla part, and this is the whole sari. Look at the border. First, let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece, and this is the rest half. This was sari number 19 and the price was 1500. Sari number 20. This is a sari without blouse piece, so the price is 1800. Oh no, sorry. This sari also has a blouse piece. Sorry. This is the palla part. The whole sari. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Border to dekhi that. Sari number 20 and the price is 2000. Sari number 21. Oh, wonderful color. Purple and green. These saris, or maybe it's a cotton saris, but if you wear this sari, it will give a silk look. A wonderful piece. I am very proud of my artisans who have made these saris. Okay, friends, this is the blouse piece, and this is the rest half. Sari number 21 and the price is 1950. Sari number 22. These malmals are so good, it gives a good fall also. The same sari I am wearing. This is the palla part. This is not black, this is also navy blue with a tribal design in the base. Let me show you the blouse piece, friends. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Look at black, navy blue. It's a dark navy blue. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is not a black sari, friends. Those who are friends liking my saris, please send me the screenshot. And after receiving the payment, I will deliver the sari to you. And friends, those are within Kolkata, I don't know what will you do, because right now the situation is not favorable. I won't pressurize you to visit my shop. When it was quite normal, I told everybody to visit my shop, but right now I can't tell this thing. পছন্দ হলে আমাকে জানান, আমি শাড়ি আপনাদের পৌঁছে দেব। COD is available within Kolkata, and outside Kolkata, friends, you have to send the amount through online, any mode of payment. This is a wonderful piece, melted chocolate with ochre yellow color. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. আমি বন্ধুদের জোরাজুরি করবো না এখন শপে আসার জন্য। আপনারা সবাই সুস্থ থাকুন, ভালো থাকুন। ভেরি ক্রিটিক্যাল সিচুয়েশন আমরা সবাই আছি। We are in a very critical situation. I am also confused what to do. Single purchase will help a small portion of my society, even me, including me, my shop, my helping sisters, my artisans. So single purchase can do a big help in this situation. This is the sari. This is sari number 24. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. This is priced 1800. Without blouse piece, and this is the rest half. Product, you don't feel be confident of my product. I am confident, so you also confidently purchase sari from my shop. Ochre yellow and white combination sari. The palla is designed by only cracks, has been done in the palla and the both border, upper and lower border, with a wonderful butterfly and leaf motif in the base. First, let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, and this is the rest half. Sari number 25. Friends, in every episode I try to show you similar types of saris. It's those who are willing to purchase batiks, you can see lots of batiks. Today just I am showing 27 pieces of batiks. So that's the reason I show a single variety of saris in single episode. Just right now I'm thinking in next episode I will show you all khadis. After that I am thinking I'll show you block printed saris. Similar types of saris I am showing just to help you to select the saris. 2-3 pieces, if I show batiks, you will be confused to select. Look, this is a also wonderful combination. Dark purple with bottle green. Wonderful bright sari. এই শাড়িটা পরলেও দেখুন as good as silk. It is as good as silk. But the sari is a pure cotton, best quality malmal. Sari number 26 and the price was 1950. Sari number 27. I know, friends, those who will purchase these saris, you will again ask me to show batiks again and again. This is a diagonally designed batik. Powdered blue with green. This is the diagonal design. Very simple, smart. Okay. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Bhishon Sundar. Wonderful piece. And this is the rest half. Done? It's done again. Friends, today I have shown you 27 pieces. The sari which I am wearing, you can get this similar piece. I can give 2-3 friends these saris. So if you like these saris, send me the screenshot. Definitely I will send you the saris after receiving the payment. And friends, within Kolkata there is a facilities of COD. Please purchase saris from Arpita's Viewer Gallery. Will do a big help. Be healthy, stay safe, stay steady. Even stay steady also. Thank you so much.